What if decorating a Python function silently erased its name and documentation? When you write a decorator, you define an inner function, typically called wrapper, that calls the original, then return it. But there's a problem. Python now treats that wrapper as your actual function. Call greet.dunderName and you get back wrapper, not greet. The docstring is empty. The module information is lost. Your function's identity has been silently stolen, breaking introspection, confusing documentation generators, and frustrating anyone trying to understand your code. functools.wraps fixes this elegantly. Add the @wraps decorator, passing in the original function as an argument to your inner wrapper function. Python automatically copies the critical attributes: dunderName, dunderDoc, dunderModule, and more, from the original to the wrapper. Now greet.dunderName correctly returns greet. The docstring is preserved. Your function keeps its full identity through decoration. The benefits extend to tools and debugging. When someone calls help on your decorated function, they see real documentation, not an empty wrapper. IDEs surface the correct signature. Stack traces show the actual function name, not wrapper repeated at every level. Wraps also copies dunder annotations and dunderDict for complete metadata preservation. Make it a habit. Use functools.wraps in every decorator you write. It preserves function identity, keeps documentation intact, and makes debugging far easier. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.